Good morning, everyone. It's December 31st, 2020. We made it. Tomorrow is a new day, a new year, a time for new beginnings. But you know what I was thinking about this morning? Even though it's a new year, we're still going to be hearing the same news stories. There's not going to be a lot different tomorrow morning than what we're facing today. But I have an idea. What if everybody, starting tomorrow, really wants to turn over a new year and have better times? What if everybody, every morning, first thing out of the bed, thought to themselves, thank you for this day. I'm happy to be alive. What if every morning, everybody wrote something that they're thankful for in their journal? What if every day, somewhere around noontime or somewhere in the middle of the day, everybody had an alarm set on their device to remind them to be grateful about something? And then what if every night before you go to bed and you're saying your prayers, you think about 3 or 4 things during the day that made you happy? Can you imagine a world where everybody in the world would find gratitude each and every day, no matter what the circumstances of the day? I believe that the world would be a better place. If you believe this, would you share this message with your friends and your family and your loved ones? And let's see if making a practice day in and day out of being grateful and finding joy no matter what your circumstance. Can you imagine what the year would be like and what your life would be like? Try it. Happy New Year, everyone. God bless you.